Hello, in this video we're going to be finding the reciprocal of a number. So the objective here is to understand and find reciprocals of integers, fractions and decimals. So a quick definition before we get started. So the reciprocal of a number is what you have to multiply by that number to get 1. So in order to work it out, all you do is simply flip the number. So for example, if I had 2 over 3, the reciprocal of 2 over 3 is 3 over 2. Because, well, firstly, 3 over 2 times 2 over 3 is 1. But to work that out quickly, I can just flip 3 over 2, or 2 over 3, sorry, and I get 3 over 2. So here are some examples. So firstly, we need to find the reciprocal of 5. So 5 by itself is equivalent to 5 over 1. So if I flip that, I get 1 over 5. So the reciprocal of 5 is 1 over 5. The reciprocal of 3 over 4, I just need to flip 3 over 4. So that's going to be 4 over 3. 0.2, so in order to work out the reciprocal, I first need to convert this to a fraction. So 0.2 is equal to 2 over 10, which is the same as a fifth. So taking the reciprocal of that, 1 over 5 becomes 5 over 1. So the reciprocal becomes 5. And then 1.5, I could rewrite that as an improper fraction. So that becomes 3 over 2. And then if I took the reciprocal of 3 over 2, that's going to become 2 over 3. So the reciprocal of 1.5 is 2 over 3. So here are some quick fire practice questions on this topic. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, so well done if you managed to have a go at that. So I've just revealed the answers, and that's everything for this video. So that was quite a quick one, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!